In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your GOG avatar in just a few simple steps. If you've been wanting to update your profile picture on GOG so your account looks more personal and easier to recognize, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. It's quick, easy, and you can do it right from your web browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and log in to gog.com. Using your account details. Once you're signed in, look at the top navigation bar and hover over your username. This is where GOG keeps your account options and settings. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Orders and Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage your account information and preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click the Account and Locale tab. This section contains the settings related to your profile, region, and account details. After that, look toward the top of the page for the Avatar section. Here, you'll see your current profile image and a change button next to it. Click Change to open the avatar upload window. Now choose the image you want to use as your new GOG avatar. Make sure it's the picture you want before uploading, because this is the image other users will see on your profile. Once you've selected your image, upload it and close the window. In most cases, GOG will save the change automatically, so you usually don't need to press any extra save button. Just give it a moment, and your new avatar should appear on your account. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and check your profile again. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GOG avatar. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now your account has a fresh new profile picture. If this tutorial was helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides coming soon.